In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number on LinkedIn if you want to make your profile more complete and make it easier for the right people to contact you. Adding your phone number to LinkedIn can be a useful step. The good news is that this process is quick and straightforward, and you can do it directly from your profile settings in just a few moments. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile. Once you're there, look at the top section of your profile, sometimes called the intro card. This is the area that includes your basic profile information, like your name, headline, and location. In the top right corner of that section, click the pencil icon. That icon opens the editing window for your profile details. After the edit window appears, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Near the lower part of this window, you'll see an option labeled Edit Contact Info. Click that to open the section where you can manage the ways people may be able to reach you through LinkedIn. Inside the contact information area, find the phone section. This is where you can enter your number. Before typing it in, choose the phone type that best matches the number you want to add. For example, you may see options like mobile or work. Selecting the correct type helps keep your information organized and makes it clear what kind of contact number you're sharing. Next, type in your phone number carefully. Make sure to enter it accurately so there are no mistakes. It's always a good idea to double-check the number before saving, especially if you use LinkedIn for networking, job opportunities, or professional communication. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After that, your phone number will be added to your LinkedIn contact information. One helpful tip is to make sure you're comfortable with the visibility of your contact details on LinkedIn. Depending on your settings, certain contact information may be visible to specific people, so it's worth reviewing your privacy preferences if needed. That way you stay in control of who can see your number while still keeping your profile professional and accessible. And that's it. As you can see, adding a phone number on LinkedIn only takes a few simple clicks. Follow these steps carefully, save your changes, and your contact information will be updated in no time.